In this video, you'll learn how to use a hosting the domain in WordPress. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to set up your domain correctly and ensure it is fully operational within your WordPress site. Begin by logging into your Hostinger account. You can do this by navigating to the Hostinger website and entering your credentials in the login fields. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Hostinger dashboard where various services and settings are available. Next, locate the section labeled Domains on the dashboard. Click on Domains.co domain settings. Here, you will see a list of your registered domains. Find the domain you wish to use with WordPress and select it to open its specific settings. In the domain settings, look for the option that says Names Averse. You will need to change these to point to your WordPress host's names averse. Typically, your WordPress host will provide these name servers in their documentation or support sections. Enter the new name server information in the provided fields and save your changes. It is important to ensure that this information is accurate to avoid any connectivity issues. After updating the name servers, navigate to your hosting control panel. This may be a different platform than Hostinger, where you manage your web hosting account. Once in the control panel, find the section for adding a new domain or website. Select the option to add a domain and input the domain you configured in Hostinger. This step connects your domain to your hosting account, allowing it to serve your WordPress site. Now proceed to install WordPress. Most hosting providers offer an auto installer feature for WordPress. Look for the auto installer or Softaculous apps installer within your hosting control panel. Select WordPress from the list of applications, then follow the prompts to install it on the domain you just added. This process typically involves choosing the domain, setting up an admin account, and configuring basic settings. Once you have completed the WordPress installation, it is essential to wait for the DNS changes to propagate. This process can take anywhere from 20 to 48 hours. During this time, your domain may not be immediately accessible on the internet. You can check the propagation status using various online tools to confirm when your domain is live. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.